tayo po ay nagagalak na masasaksiyan natin si JC at Ann nandito sa harap ng altar at sila ay magpapalitan ng pangako sa isa na sila ay magmamahalan. Ann, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si JC na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
JC, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Ann na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre. Message daw, message. Ano lang to? Blip lang to.
I know you'll be a good father, a husband. I love you. Hi, love. Finally, after years of waiting, love, andito na tayo. Dumating na ang araw na pinakihihintay at pinagdadasal natin. Though 7 years wasn't perfect, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan, madaming away na nalagpasan, but mas marami pa ring happy memories na nadadagdagan.
So JC, you may kiss the bride.
Bakit yun? May hook.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Waki daw! Tingnan sa salamin. Pag yung swim mo, lang smile.
I used to roll the dice. Feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Only the king. 1 minute I held the key. Walls were closed on me and I discovered that my castle stands on pillars of salt.
Okay naman ako!
Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you'd gone there was never on this world.
Uy, ano? Uy, hindi kayo gumagalaw. Hindi, galaw.
I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing.
Love, pangako sa'yo, nakakalagaan kita. Iintindihin, bubusugin, at higit sa lahat, mamahalin. Ng tapat at totoo.
Tears fall to earth as the hurt takes your breath away. She's brave.
In every day of our life, kahit palagi man tayong aso't pusa, kahit na mainit din ang ulo ko, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap at gusto kong makita araw-araw. Sobrang thankful ko kasi ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Everything happens for a reason, ika nga. And ikaw pala yung reason. Thank you for being the best father to our kids and giving me home. Thank you sa pagiging malakas for our family.
Happy wedding day, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! Love you!
If you could see what I see when you close your eyes, something beautiful. The clouds will break to light on the other side.
I love you with all my heart until the day I die. And I will be here for you always. I love you.
Thank you lang masabi ko. Thank you sa inyo dalawa. Thank you. I love you, thank you.
You are not alone, and I won't let you go.
Alam ko madami pa tayong pagdadaanan. Pero magkasama natin ito. Lalampasan. Sana bigyan tayo ng mahabang buhay ni Lord na magkasama. Love you so much. We made it.
I won't let you
Love, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Sasamahan ka sa hamon ng buhay, aalagaan at tutulungan sa panahong napapagod ka na. Pwedeng mapagod pero hindi pwedeng sumuko, di ba? Sabi ni Piso yan. Magtitiwala at lagi mo akong kakampi sa lahat ng bagay. Ikaw at ikaw ang palagi kong pipiliin. I love you, love.
You are not alone, and I won't let you go.